So hello friends, so in this video tutorial we will learn about our Mexico toy sales report in our Power BI. So how we can make this report, let's see. So suppose we have a data here and we have to use this data, and how we can use this data in our report. So how to create that. So we have a report here, and in this report what we can do, we can find out insights of our files which we have loaded here. So how to create this report, we have to see that one by one, step by step. So we will create this end-to-end project on Power BI. So what is here is, like, we have cards here like sales card, unit card, cost and profit, and beside that, like, we have like sales wise, profit year wise, quarter wise, then sales by location, top 10 profit by products and top 10 profit by stores. So all this information is given, and even according to locations also we can find our report. So like if I will go to airport, or either I will go to downtown, like these are the locations, and according to that we can make some report there. So let's go through that and see how we can create this report. So first of all, what we need to do, we have to open up a Power BI. So I will just go there, file, and here I will click new. So I will start from the scratch here. I will click here new. So now we will have a new Power BI screen. So it will take few seconds, so just wait for a few seconds. So now here we have a Power BI screen first. So in this Power BI screen, what we need to do, first of all we have to install all our files which we have already downloaded, and you can download them from the link which I will give you in the description. So first of all, I will go and download some file. So this is our text files. I will go to text, and then I will go to inventory first, and it will ask about to transport or load. So transform data or load, it will ask about two things. So first thing what we need to do, we do not have to load it, we will transform this file. So I will go to transform data. So this is the first step, we have to transform this file. So when this file is transformed, the next thing is, like, we go to this new source, and from this source I will take this text CSV, and from this text CSV I will take the second file which is product, and I will put OK here, and then I will go to new source, then again I will go to text product, I will take sales, I will put OK here, then I will go new source, then I will take store. So I have taken all the files here, and OK. So I have all 4 files loaded here. Next thing is, like, we have to see for data values here. So we have, like, this data is in your, you call that in alphabets, that's also in your alphabetical order, this also in your alphabets, and this is string basically. And then here come your data. If you will go to product data, so here we have like strings here, but when we will go this side, so these are also numbers but they have dollar sign. So we have to remove this dollar sign from this product table, so that we can use them for our reports. So this data can only be used if we will remove this dollar from here, so then we can use it for our reports. Then we go to sales data. This data is okay, like this in days format, this is your number format, this is number format, this is number format, this is units, so that's okay. Like if you will go to sales, dash data is also okay, like this is in number, this is in alphabetical, alphabet, right, this is in date format. But what I find problem is like with this one, like product file. So what we can do, we'll click over this, then we will go to transform, and from spread data I will go to by number of characters. So this is the step we have to follow, and here we have to put 1 and then once as far as left as possible and press OK. So now we are able to remove this. Then I will go to second file, this one, again transform by number of characters, then I will press 1 once as far as possible, click on this, click this area and press OK. So now we have removed this dollar sign from our data, so now we can remove this. So I will go here and remove, then I will go to price product table second and remove, and I just change the name of this. I will remove this to number from here, then I will go there and remove number from there. Next thing is to find out the zero values in that data, like whether we have zero or error in that. So for that we will go to view, column quality. I will just check over this. So from view we have to click on column quality, so that we can see our white spaces also, that can be also check out. So valid error 0 in this product, so everything is 0, so it's okay. In inventory also valid error, everything is 0 here. In sales also valid, okay, valid, okay, valid, okay, and there is no error, okay. Store, that's also good, so we haven't find any error here, so this data is okay, and we don't need to do other things also, like in here, like in home, manage column, that's not required now, reduce row, so all these things are keep row, and a header, we don't need to make header and everything. First row as header, that thing is not required, we already have a header here, so headers are okay. So what next thing we can do, we can go close and apply. So we have a data here, so what we can do next is, like we have to, how we can do this, so we can just go to our last file, and I want to show you something. Okay, it's just loading, so it's just loading our file, so it will take few seconds. Until then I will show you something. In Mexico report, what we were doing there, so now we have installed our files. So files are our inventory, product, sales and stores, so we have already installed them. So next is we have certain question like which we can ask. So report creation steps we have to follow. So first of all is get data, so that we have done. So basic data transformation, we have done that up to bit here. Then we have to create relations between reports. So like whatever we are doing here is, first of all we have get data, so we have get that data. Next is like we have to transformation. So transformation is basically cleaning and finding zero errors in data, so we have done that. Then we have to create relations, so we have to create relations between our reports, like we have different files, so we can create a relation between that, so that we can get data from any field. Then create calculated column measures, so we will create a measures in this report. Choose report layout and create a choose report layout, like what size of the report should be, what type of graphs, how many graphs or chart we will use in that layout. So according to that we will create our layout. Then create reports, so in reports we will get data there. So now we will again go to our data there and see like what sort of data we have. So we have inventory, product, sales. So if we will go here in our models, so in models we can see in models, what we can see, we have a 4 tables here. So I just put it some nearly. So like we have these 4 tables. So Microsoft Power BI have already created a relation between them. So we don't need to, we just have to check whether the relation is correct or not. Like a sales store ID to store ID, it's okay. Then here we will go, so it's already created product ID to product ID. Then I will go to sales return, here also product ID to product ID. So Microsoft Power BI has already created a relation between our 4 tables. Now what we will need to do, like we have to see like what we can do here. So like if we have a sales here, but we don't have a sales, like if I will just increase this size. So in sales column and in product column, what we have is like we have a product cost, category, product cost, product ID, product name and product price. But in sales ID, we have sales ID and unit, but we don't have sales, so we have to find out the sales here. So how we can find the sales is like we have to put a formula here to finding the sales. So what that formula can be? So sales can be your like product price multiplied by your units. So product price is here and units are here, so we can multiply that and we can have a sales. We can also find out our product cost. What is the cost of the product? So like we have a product cost here, but we don't have your sales unit. So product cost is here and sales unit is here. So if we will multiply that, so we will find out the cost also. And we can even find out the profit. So profit can be find out like product profit if we will get, and so we can also do that. Profit is like a product profit, what we can also do that. So we will make it profit per product and then what is there into sales. So we can find out that also. So how we can do that? So we have to check it out and make it. So first of all, we will go here in our report here, and then I will go to your product table, and here I will add a new column. So in new column we can do calculations. And in this new column I will create product profit per product. I will just write the manner it is written here, profit per product. So after writing this, I will write equal to, then I will do product price and multiply it with or minus product price minus product cost. So what is the product cost or product cost? So we can find product per profit per product. We can find is product price minus product cost. So we can find profit per product. So just click on this. So we have information here. So we will just minus it, product price minus product cost. So we can find out what is profit per product. Next is like we will go to our sales table. So we have a sales table here, and what I will create here is what is our sales here. So I click on sales table, and here I will go to new column, and here I put sales equal to, we have to create a relation because we have two table here. We have a two table here, so I will type relation here. Related, we have to put related. Related is the formula, so I will put related. Then I will type product, and in product I will type product price multiply by your sales. So I will type product price and I have to close it here, and then I will put comma and I will write sales product, sales units here, so that we can have this. Then click over this. So we have a sales here. So we will do, we will take some from product table and from some sales table. So related is used when we are using two tables. Next I will use another. I will go to home, table tools, then I will go to new column. So I will add another column here, and this time I will find out cost. So cost equal to related, then I will write product cost multiply by salary. This is our product cost. So how we can find out the cost of the product? So we have to take product cost and sales unit. So I just have to close it and multiply it with your sales unit. And just click over this. So we also have a sales unit here. So now friends, like we have to create another new column here. So in this new column I will put profit. So I will write here profit, then I will put equal to, then I will put related, then I will put profit per product, then it start working, product profit per product, then I have to multiply it with sales unit so that we can find out profit. So sales unit is provided by profit per unit per product, so that we can find out whatever profit we have made. So this is our detail now. So next is like we will create a new table here. So for that we will go to new table. So it will create a new table with us, and in this new table we have to write a DAX function. With this we will create a table here, so which is date table. So we will create a date table also, so that we can have date wise information. So equal to, then I will press shift plus enter and go to the next line and start writing a variable. So variable start date. First of all, from this date table we will find out the start date, equal to, then I will put minimum, and here I will put the sales date. So we have to find out the sales date. Then I have to close this, then I will write another variable. This is your end date, equal to maximum, and here I will write sales date again, and so that it will find out variable with the name start date and end date. So we have created a two variable here. Maximum should be there, it is a max A, so I have to put max here, and sales date from sales date. And next we will go to the next line and we will create, again I will put shift plus enter, variable I will write it, variable I will write date table 1. I will give it name and date table 1 equal to, then I will go to next line and write add column. So we have to add column in this date table. So first of all, what we will do, we will line a calendar, we will put a calendar here. So it have a start date and your comma, then I will put end date. So we have created a variable start date and end date, so we will put it here, then we will put comma. Then next is I will define here quarter number. So quarter number is like which quarter number will be, I will just give it the name, comma, then I will take the formula quarter, and in this quarter I will define date. So this will define according to the date. Then I will close this comma and first of all what I will do, I will define here also. I think here should be there before quarter, so I will here take here, then I will give, first of all I will take here, I will just increase this size so that it will be more clear what I am writing here. So first of all I will write here comma, then I will give here formula, from here I will take, and here I will take your date. So date should be the, I will just close it and write date here. Now I will close this, then I will go to comma, then I will go to next line. I have already taken like quarter here, QUART here, quarter number, comma, so I will here take quarter, and again I will take date. Date is the formula, I have to just take this like date, and just close this comma and just go to the next line. So first of all we will find quarter, then I will find quarter name, QUART. So then I will find quarter name, and in quarter name I will like write format, so I will just format it. I will put here format and just format this to date, next is your month number, so we can even put month number here. I will not give a okay. So then I will write month date, comma, month, and here I will take date, and then I will close this comma, and I just put it, I have to put okay, and after that I will take month name, I will just close date comma, then I will put format, and format I will take date, comma, and here I will take MMM. So like see what is that. So in quarter name we also take one more thing, is like how we will like to this, because we have formatted it. So format with slash we will put QQ. Now we have to return this table, so I go to the next line here, then we have to close this, then I will come to the next line, and here I will take return, date table 1, and just run this program here. And just run this and see whether it's running or not. So there is some problem, so we have to just check it. So now we have here DAX formula. So whatever error is there, that will be removed. So we have a calendar, year, quarter number, quarter name, month number, month name, date, and return, and just close this. Now, so we have here a table. So this is our table here. So I just go over this and just make it to short date. So this is better way. Now I will go to this relations, and in this relation I will create relation with our sales data. Like we have this date table which we have created, and I will create relation of date with our this, and just close this. And now I will go to this reports. So we have this date table, inventory, product, and all these things, sales. Okay, so what is there? Okay, now so we have created a relation here, and after creating a relation we will create a date hierarchy here. To create a date hierarchy, I will go to this year and create hierarchy. I will just click over this, so it will create a hierarchy here, date hierarchy. And now I will go to this quarter name and click over this and add hierarchy to year hierarchy. I will just put this in year hierarchy, and we can even put this month name also in add hierarchy. So add to year hierarchy. So now we have ready our all the tables here, so which have your date table, inventory, product, and sales. And with this we can able to create our DAX report here. So sorry, either here. So first of all, what we will do, I will go to the canvas here, canvas setting, and give size here. So I will go to custom, and in custom I will, from here I will go to custom, sorry, and put some size here. So like I will put here 1200, and here I will put 2000. So we have a size of a canvas here. Whatever size you like to put, you can put that. I will put 1400 to, like I will put 1200 to this size. Now in the next part we will see how we can create our report in this canvas. So now we have here DAX formula. So whatever error is there, that will be removed. So we have a calendar, year, quarter number, quarter name, month number, month name, date, and return, and just close this. Now so we have here a table. So this is our table here. So I just go over this and just make it to short date. So this is better way. Now I will go to this relations, and in this relation I will create relation with our sales data. Like we have this date table which we have created, and I will create relation of date with our this, and just close this. And now I will go to this reports. So we have this date table, inventory, product, and all these things, sales. Okay, so what is there? Okay, now so we have created a relation here, and after creating a relation we will create a date hierarchy here. To create a date hierarchy, I will go to this year and create hierarchy. I will just click over this, so it will create a hierarchy here, date hierarchy. And now I will go to this quarter name and click over this and add hierarchy to year hierarchy. I will just put this in year hierarchy, and we can even put this month name also in add hierarchy. So add to year hierarchy. So now we have ready our all the tables here, so which have your date table, inventory, product and sales. And with this we can able to create our DAX report here. So sorry, either here. So first of all, what we will do, I will go to the canvas here, canvas setting, and give size here. So I will go to custom, and in custom I will, from here I will go to custom, sorry, and put some size here. So like I will put here 1200, and here I will put 2000. So we have a size of a canvas here. Whatever size you like to put, you can put that. I will put 1400 to, like I will put 1200 to this size. Now in the next part we will see how we can create our report in this canvas. So now what we can do, we can use this Flaticon.com to finding out icons for projects, and for colors we can use this color font. So I will take this color, like if you like to take, I will just take this color, whichever color you like you can take that, copy this color. Then I will go to my Power BI, and here in our canvas background, and here in color I will just go to more color option and Control V. I can put this color and increase the transparency. So this is our background color now. And for icons I can go here in Flaticon and take some sales icon, like whatever icon you like to take, sales. You can download them, free downloads. So I have already downloaded them. So if you need them, you can also download and use it in the report. Save. So I will go back to my report and start putting some data here. So I will go to text and put here text now, and in this text I will write I will just increase the size here first of all. Mexico sales report. Yeah, Mexico sales report. So this is our report here. Now we can put some icon here. So putting the icon, I will go to here in insert, and from insert I will go to images and go to download. So we have put some images here, so we can go take these images like this one. So I will just put this image here, and now I will just copy this image and put it here in our report. So Mexico sales report, and here we can put other things also. Now beside this I will put insert here, and now we will put some card over this, like some card. So I will give this some color also, shape. Whatever color you like to give, you can give this to effects. This is our background and whatever. So in shape we have to give advanced option. So whatever things is given here, shadow, so all things is given there. So either you can take shape or whatever. Now what I will do, I will put some I will put some like this multi-row cards. So I will take one card here and put it here, and just keep it this much. Formatting you can do, you can find out whatever color you like to. I just telling you like how to make a report. Formatting you can do. So I will just increase it, and then I will take from here sales. Click over this and put the sales here. So we have a sales data here. I will go here, call out value. I just increase this size to 22 and bold so that we can see this data clearly. And then I will go to journal, title. We don't have any title, visuals, bold, and just increase it to 22 also, right way. Then I will go here and just double click over this and just remove this now from here. So we have this here. So now I will just copy this. I will just click over this, Control C, Control V. So we have here the second report, Control C, and then I will copy this also. Now in first of all is our sales. So I will just remove this sum from the beginning here and put here sales. Then I will go to second. Here I will put profit. I will just remove this and put profit here and just remove this profit. Then I will go to the third one. I will double click over this, remove this and press enter. So we have a profit here. Then I will go here and then I will remove this, and we can take other things also here like cost. We can put cost here and just double click over this cost. Enter it. So we have a cost here. And the last one is our your units. We can say we can put units here. So we have a units here. Now so we have some data here which include here profit, sales, and here we will give some pictures. So I like to give pictures, so I will go to the images, and from images I will take some pictures. Like suppose first of all I will take this picture and put it here. And then I will take images and I will take this picture. So whichever picture you like to take, you can take that and put it here, and I will put it here. Then I will take another picture, insert images, like I will take this picture. So now we have these pictures here so that the report will look good. So we have sum of profit and all these things. Next thing is like we will put another shape here. I will put a shape here again, and whatever we like to give this shape, rotation, style, whatever. In style I will just take it color to white, and same thing we can do. I think that's okay, and we can shape fill white, then border is okay, text color is okay. So if you want to give some border and everything, you can do that also. Rectangle, whatever heart, whatever type of shape you like to take, you can take. I am taking it rectangle, that is okay. Where is rectangle? Here it is. So we will take it rectangle, and just we have to create 4 reports. I will just copy it 4. This is here, here, and here. If you want to increase the size, you can do that. So that's all. So now what we will do, we will create 4 chart in that. So first of all we have to have some questions to describe creating a report. And like what chart we can create here is like sales chart we can create. So for creating a sales chart, what we will do, I will take this chart here, line chart, and put it here. And in this line chart, what we will like to show is our sales report here. So first of all, I will get into date column, and from here I will take year hierarchy, which conclude your quarter name, year and dates. Next is like your what you like to see. I like to see here in Y columns is our sales, so I put here sales. Now we have sales, and in our X column, in Y column, I will take my profit. So we have this chart, and this is our drill down chart. So if I will click over this, it will go to our quarter, and if you will drill over it will go to our months. So this is our drill down chart. Now what I need to do, like I need to remove its some detail here. This x-axis on, legendary all, zoom slider is okay. In journal I will go title, I will just put it off, and now I will go to visuals. In x-axis I will bold them and increase the size to 15 and bold it. And then I will go to values, I will also make them 15, bold them. So that's why you can do whatever is your bold and make it 15. So we have a report here, and now what we will do, I will just copy this report, so it will give us report according to our sales and profit chart. Then I will copy this and paste this to next, and here what we will see our report as per our location and sales. So what we can do there, so in this chart what we will do, we will go here, and from this, like we have this y-axis, from this line of y-axis I will just remove, and here I will go to legends. Where is legend? And here we will take our location, so I will put the location here. So location, like stores, in product, in inventory, whatever detail we have, in sales, in stores I will go and see store location, store name. So I will take here store location in our legends. So we have a bar graph here. So if I will go up here, so it will make our store, city, store, location. So location wise it will give us, like we have a 4 location here, downtime, commercial and whatever. And if you will go down, so it will give us location wise report of our sales. So this way we can have this chart also. Next is we will put our top 10 products. So putting top 10 products, I will take this bar chart, cluster column chart here. Sorry, we have done a problem. It's made there. Okay, so I will click over this now. Here we have, so here we already have this chart, which is our line stack chart, bar chart. But here we will go, and here I will click over this outside and put new chart, which is our this bar chart. I will take this bar chart, this cluster bar chart, and for this I will take top 10 products by profit. So what we can do, I will go there in y-axis and in x-axis we have to take information. So first of all I will take product name, and then I will take our profit, so that will be in our sales table, I think. Profit. Okay, then I will take profit. So we have this chart here, but we only need the top 10. For taking the top 10 I will go to this filter option here, and for sum of, and then I will go here, and from here I will take top 10 all product name. In all product name I click over these and take top n. So from product name I will top n and take 10, and in buy value I will take profit. So we can find out, and then I will place apply. So now I have top 10 product sales, and other things we can do, like if we want to go to y-axis and bold this, make it 15, and then what is x-axis values, and if we will put it 15 here also, press bold. Okay, so like this is our report first. Now I will copy this and put it down, and in this report I will take top 10 by stores. So stores, top 10 here is product, then we will top 10 profit by store. So in our product name I will take our store name, so I will put here store name here, and now I will have to take the top 10. So I will click over this in product name, and store name I will take in this report, and here I will go top 10 by value I will take product, so profit, and then I will put apply. So now we have a report ready with our sales, like we have a here like sales or profit comparison year wise, quarter wise with the chart. Then here we have location wise, here we have top profit, all this thing is there, and we can even add some text box here. So I will put a text box or either. So now we will create a filter in that. To create a filter we will go to here visuals, and first of all I will just remove this and click on this filter, and in this filter we will create a filter. So filter is location, so we will put a store location here. Then I will go here in format visuals, and I will put it horizontal, and then I will go to values and just increase its value to 15, bold, and make the color white, and then I will go to the background and keep the color this one, and just bold this and just drag this in this way, and here I will just drag this like this and just add this here in our this area. And what I will do one more thing. I want to put there horizontal is okay, and here select all should be there. So this is our report ready, and if I will click on select all, so it will select all. Airport, it will show airport wise, location wise report it will give us, and all the values will change accordingly here. So whatever value we will put the values here. Residential is not showing any values here, so this is everywhere it is showing values. Now it's okay. So that's all. Thank you very much for watching this video.